Hi everybody, this is Pam at the Paper Outpost, and I said I would do this video, so I wanted to show you what happens if you microwave, like we're drying flowers, Spanish moss, and air plants. Okay, let's see how this goes. All right, putting this in, I was at the park, and hi Holly, that's the African gray, and I'm just gonna put some, I don't know. Should I just put the whole clump in? Should I thin it out? Doing this one-handed, sorry. Let's just try a little bit at a time, see what happens. It seems like things are always better when you don't do them too thickly. Spread them out a little bit. Okay, let's try that first. So what we have, whoop, there goes the whole pile. Hold on. Okay, so this is what we're doing. We're doing one felt layer and one cotton layer. Okay, so I already have that here loaded up, so I'm just going to place this down. Just wanted you to see what was on there. Okay, sorry for the, I'm having an issue with my brand new tripod. It's like flopping on me and won't hold the camera up, and it's just a phone. It's not that heavy, so I have to have hubby take a look at that and figure it out. I've used all my neurons trying to figure it out, and I came up with nothing. Okay, so here we go. Now let's do this. Hi, Holly. Yes. Everybody's here. Okay, stay still, Pam. Okay. Putting the cotton pad on top. We're making a little Spanish moss sandwich. Then the felt pad. Then the top. Then we pop these clips on. Okay, one. And this is pretty thin stuff, and it's already pretty dry. So I think it's much easier to do with two hands. Hang on. Okay, I have put all the 4 clips on. Much easier to do with 2 hands, yes. And I'm going to pop it in the microwave for only a minute, and let's see how it comes out. Everybody's microwave is a little bit different, so you kind of have to play with yours, but usually between, I really haven't had to go over a minute and a half on anything, but it's better to go try little bursts of like 30 seconds, 45 seconds, a minute to kind of see how things react and then judge from there with your own microwave. But here we go. I'm going in for 1 minute. Okay, it's out of the microwave. It's been a minute. I can feel some heat emanating from it. That means some steaming has gone on inside. You just want to maybe wait till it cools a little bit. You don't want to burn your hands, but it's not so hot. I can't touch it. And this side also has heat onto it. There's no really right or wrong side. You can just open it up. So this is exactly, I haven't seen it either. Let's see what it does. Okay, there we go. And opening. Is this going to be the greatest thing since sliced bread, or will it be a big fat woo-ha nothing burger? Okay, what do we have? We have flat moss. Yeah, there's a shocker, huh? Okay, let's see how flat this flat moss is. Oh, I mean, honestly, I think you could get the same result just sticking this in a book for a few days easily, because it's pretty dry already. But it is very thin, and I think we could use that in our junk journals, and maybe we'll play with some ways we can use this. It almost looks like spider web or something. It's kind of cool. You could pull it apart and tease it apart. So I'm going to consider that successful. Boy, that looks like hair in the drain, doesn't it? Yeah, well, maybe we'll make it look like something a little better than that. All right, now let's try the air plants. These are a little bit more lumpy. Try and flatten you out. Okay, we'll try and flatten you out. Okay, you're actually 2 little guys together. Is there a stick in there? Yeah, if there's any like Frank sticks, want to remove them because they're just going to not do anything. And just separate this as much as possible. Are you really 1 or 2? You seem to be 1, so we'll leave you as 1. Okay, put you there. We're going to rearrange. Okay, there we go. Everybody's in? Okay, now let me go ahead and complete my sandwich with my cotton cloth. This is a little damp from the previous one. That's okay though. Can still do it. Might take a little bit longer. And this is a little thicker, so we might go a little longer than a minute on this one. Okay, there we go, 1:15, or it's kind of a waxy thing. All right, hold on. Okay, I have the little gipper all lassoed in there, and I'm going to pop it in for 1 minute and 15 seconds. And let's see what we have. Okay, I just wanted to show you the comparison between the dried and the not dried yet Spanish moss. And I think the best way to appreciate that is to look at it from the side. Okay, that's the elevation, and then that's what we got. Flatty, flat, flat. Full volume hair, yes. Okay. No volume. Lots of volume. Okay, we go back. Okay, I have just popped that out of the microwave. It's definitely hotter than the other one that was thicker, so more juice would be steaming it. And also, I left it in a little bit longer than the other one. So, okay, we're going to reveal. Take the outer plate off. And I don't know if you can see. Can you see the wetness? Let me take you down here. See the wetness? That's wetness. That all came out of the plant. Okay, let's see. Focus. Okay. Peeling. Okay, that's the felt that came off. And here comes the cotton. What do we get? We got flat airplanes. Don't they look amazing? Looks like something that got stuck to the bottom of your shoe while you were walking home. But let's peel them off and see what they look like. Okay, here we go. Now, if it's a little warm, you can just lift it up in air, like let the air waft, and the heat will dissipate. Putting it on the cold counter helps a lot too. Oh, look at these little biscuits. Look how thin. Yeah, isn't that cool? Now that could actually be used as an embellishment in a book. You could put you could use it as part of a cluster, or put it on a pocket or something. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so very cool, huh? That would look really awesome in a nature journal. Look how thin. It's amazing, isn't it? And I officially did these for 1 minute and 20 seconds in my microwave. Like I said, everybody's microwave is different, so be sure you test your own. And you could glue these down with Fabrifix, silicone glue, probably white glue would work as well. You could use a little paintbrush to paint the back with the glue, or you could just use your finger tool. Maybe we'll play with some of the ideas, because I am working on a journal now, so we'll put some of this stuff in there. Awesome! Oh, that looks like a spider, doesn't it? But yeah, look at that. I don't know, it's got like spidery look to it. It's kind of cool. Focus. Okay, let's go super close. You could be a spider, but you're not a spider, because I know you're not a spider, but I could scare the bejeepers out of my husband because he hates spiders. Oh, I could put this on his pillow. Should I do it? No, I won't do that. That'd be mean. No, we don't want to give anybody a heart attack. Okay, I am going to go ahead and do the rest of this stuff so we have some to play with, because the park was full of Spanish moss. There was no shortage. And I'm just going to cook this up. And have stuff to play with. And I'll show you some ideas how you can use these in your junk journal.